One man was fatally shot and another injured during a reported confrontation with the police on the Content Main Road, 4 Paths, Clarendon on Friday, April 3. Police said one Taurus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 1 round of ammunition was seized during the incident. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Ackeem Whyte of Howells Content, Yorktown, Clarendon. The injured man, who is also 29 years old, has been admitted in a hospital. It is reported that the shooting incident occurred at about 3:35 p.m. following a request by police officers for a vehicle occupied by the men to stop. Investigators from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, Central Regional Office have since launched an investigation into the incident. But reports reaching Loop News are that the investigation by INDECOM almost did not take place. 2 days ago INDECOM officials raised concern that they were not placed on the list of exempted organizations whose members could remain on the roads after the 8:00 p.m. start time of a curfew that is now in effect in parishes across the island. The Jamaican government on April 1 implemented a 7-day curfew to run from 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. as part of efforts to control the spread of coronavirus, COVID-19. Workers in essential services are exempt from the curfew but will be required to provide a photo ID to prove their employment. Since the concerns were raised by INDECOM, the Prime Minister announced that members PF INDECOM would be placed as part of the group of essential workers. INDECOM officials explained that if that had not happened, their attempts to probe the shooting in Clarendon would have been a breach. One INDECOM official explained. Police reported that the incident took place at around 3:45 p.m. The INDECOM official told Loop News that the processing of the crime scene would have overlapped into the 8 p.m. start time of curfew, and with their members not on the list of essentials workers, they would have had to vacate the streets before the start of the curfew period. Since the development, INDECOM officials have described the move by the Prime Minister as timely. The announcement by the Prime Minister to include INDECOM as an exempted organization is timely and significant. Otherwise, the prompt response, processing and independent probe of this incident would have been in breach of the curfew hours, as the response team is, at this time, still completing investigative actions, INDECOM stated in a release.